tiny kitchen frustrations have a way of slowing down the simplest jobs. These clever little tools tackle 15 everyday annoyances, making food prep, cooking, cleanup, and storage feel much easier. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. Let's begin with space-saving helpers and smart prep tools designed to make everyday kitchen tasks quicker and less frustrating. Foldable silicone funnels help transfer liquids and dry ingredients without spills running down the side of the container. This colorful 6-pack collapses flat, so the funnels barely take up any drawer space. Keep drips, splatters, and sticky utensils off the counter with a silicone spoon rest. Multiple slots hold several cooking tools at once, while the raised edges help contain the mess until cleanup. These glass oil sprayers let you mist or pour oil from the same container. The large-capacity 2-piece set is especially handy for air frying, coating pans, dressing salads, and controlling how much oil you use. A stainless steel dough scraper does far more than divide pastry. Use it to lift dough, chop soft ingredients, scrape flour from the counter, or quickly transfer chopped vegetables from the cutting board. Preparing snack-size fruit is much faster with this 2-piece stainless steel fruit slicer set. Press down to create neat, even slices of strawberries, bananas, kiwi, and other soft fruits without reaching for a knife. 5 curved blades help this ground beef masher break meat into smaller, more even pieces as it cooks. It also works well for mashing potatoes, mixing soft foods, and separating other ground meats in the pan. When an electric stove is completely cool, the silicone stovetop cover protects the surface from scratches, dust, and accidental spills. It also creates a useful temporary work area in kitchens where counter space is limited. No more chasing the last pickle around the jar. This pickle fork grabber attaches right to the container, keeping the fork close at hand and helping you retrieve pickles, olives, and other small foods without reaching into the brine. Now we're moving on to the little tools that help control grease, simplify cleanup, open stubborn containers, and keep frequently used kitchen essentials organized. This heat-resistant silicone grease strainer separates cooking grease from food particles and stores up to 2 cups beneath the removable filter. Once the grease cools, the flexible container makes disposal much cleaner and easier. Reusable 3-layer metal dishcloths provide extra scrubbing power for baked-on residue and stubborn grease. Their flexible mesh construction reaches around cookware and kitchen surfaces without becoming a bulky cleaning tool. Instead of balancing a full pot and a separate colander, attach the silicone strainer directly to the rim. It lets you drain pasta, vegetables, and other foods while keeping everything safely inside the cookware. Slip garlic cloves inside one of these silicone garlic peelers, roll it firmly against the counter, and the papery skins loosen without sticking to your fingers. It's a simple way to prep garlic while keeping the odor off your hands. Stubborn lids are easier to manage with a 5-in-1 jar opener. Its different gripping sections accommodate several lid sizes, offering extra leverage for anyone with limited hand strength, stiff joints, or arthritis. A corn prep peeler removes kernels directly from the cob with a smooth pulling motion. The wide, comfortable handle provides better control, while the curved stainless steel blade follows the shape of the corn. Double-ended magnetic measuring spoons stay neatly nested together instead of scattering through the drawer. The narrow ends fit inside spice jars, the rounded ends handle liquids, and the included leveler helps create more accurate measurements. Small tools really can make a noticeable difference in the kitchen. You can see all 15 helpful finds on Pamela's Best Finds and choose the ones that solve the annoyances you deal with most. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Pamela's Best Finds for more practical products, clever problem solvers, and helpful finds for everyday life.